Hey everyone, welcome back to Fiscal Voyage. My name is Felix, and today's video we're gonna go over a free swing trade that I sent out to my the newsletter, to the free swing trade newsletter that I sent out on Sunday. Right now that trade is in the positive, so we're gonna see how that trade goes out during the week and see, if we end up profitable or we take a loss. We'll see what happens. But I'm gonna go over this trade. You can sign up for the free swing trade newsletter in the description below, as well as in the comment section. I'll provide a link for the free swing trade newsletter. So let's get started with the video. All right, so let's look at my free swing trade that I called out this weekend. So here's the email that I sent out to all the people that signed up for the free swing trade newsletter. You can see you have ticker symbol Tesla. Direction is along, so we're expecting Tesla to go higher. The price entry at 601 with my stop loss at 574. Always use a stop loss when you do any kind of trading. This protects your risk, your portfolio. You don't want to lose. You buy Tesla at 601 and then all of a sudden it drops to $300. We would just stop out at 574, take our loss, and move on to the next trade. In the profit area at 660. So I give you all this information in the free swing trade newsletter, as well as some of the rules. For example, if the trade takes out the original stop loss, so say for example Tesla goes to 600 and then it comes down to 573. Basically, that trade now is void because Tesla went under this stop loss. It never triggered and it went under the stop loss. Therefore, just automatically cancel this trade. And also, some rule is know what your risk, how much you're willing to lose. Because every trade you go in, you need to be ready to lose that money because of the fact that we're trading. So you're going to win some and you're going to lose some. So this is why we have stop loss, and this is why you need to know your risk level. So you can see here, I recommend no more than 2% for swing trading risk level, or if you're not comfortable with 2% of your portfolio, start off with $10, $50, $100 risk level, and start off with swing trading. And so this is the email I send out to every weekend on Sunday. I go through a list of swing trade stocks. So I scan about 400, 500 stocks and pick out some of the good ones that I like. And I'm going to show you why I like Tesla and why I sent out this email for the free swing trade newsletter, which you can sign up in the description below, and in the comment I have a link where you can sign up for the free swing trade newsletter. So right now Tesla is at 609, so we're in a little positive now, so we'll see how that goes. Some of the reason why I like the swing trade was because you have here the rising 200 as well as the rising 233 moving average. Right over here. So Tesla on, when was this? On the 19th, it got into the 233 moving average and it bounced. So it got higher. So that's good. So it does represent some kind of support level over here around the, what was here? 550 area. And another thing, if we go to the weekly chart, this is the reason why I have Tesla long in my swing trade. If we go to the weekly chart over here, you can see here Tesla has support over here at 540, as well as the rising 50 weekly moving average. And then you can see here it kind of gave like a double bottom here. You see here over here got it to 540, and then over here last week it went into 546. So what I did was put my price entry above this at 596. So I said, you know what, if 596 is close to 600, if Tesla goes over 600, it's gonna go higher. So this is why I put the price at $601. I sent the email for 601, so that's where I had my price trigger. So if it goes over 600 and hits 601, it's just gonna go higher. And right now it's at 609, and I'm expecting to take profit around the 665 because of the moving average here, the 50 daily moving average. And you can see here, this is the last pivot here on the weekly at 753. So I'm just looking to go halfway from this weekly chart, looking to go around here, halfway of that 3-week down movement that Tesla had. So we have support here around the 540 area, 550 area. So that's why I have that as my entry. And as for my stop loss, I use the the previous day, a couple of days ago, low as my stop loss, which was the 574 area. So that's why I have that stop loss there. But overall, you can see here, there is buyers stepping up around the 540 on the monthly here in the 550 area. So there's buyers stepping up in that area. I think Tesla does go higher from here. You can see here in the weekly, it dropped down here on early March, consolidated, went a little higher, but then dropped back down earlier this month. And then again, last week, buyers stepped up. It was trying to go lower, but then here comes the rising 50 weekly average. And, I put my order on top of that, and I will see what happens. You can sign up for the free swing trade newsletter in the description, as well as I have a link in the comment section. So make sure to sign up for that. It's free. So every week on Sunday, I'll send out one swing trade idea that I'm personally taking. And then, and if you're interested, I also have a premium version of the swing trade newsletter. Just try the free one, see if you like it, and then you could possibly sign up for the premium version, which is I give you more trades that I'm taking, as well as my stop loss, I'm moving, if I'm getting out, and things like that. So, you can look at that. Right now, my swing trade portfolio is up over 14%, and I've just been at it for about a few months, swing trading. So we're tracking it for a few months, and that's very good. So I'm very excited for the rest of the year to see how that goes. But, again, just sign up for the free swing trade newsletter. Again, this is link in the description, as well as in the comment. I will have a link for that. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.